Welcome to LoveNesters.
We are a Wisconsin couple trying to keep life interesting now that our kids have left the nest. Join us on adventures big and small as we look for the quirky and unique while having some fun along the way.
Thanks for being here. Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in a school bus getting shuttled to one of Wisconsin's largest car shows.
We are in Delavan, Wisconsin for the Cars That Time Forgot car show.
I think I forgot something.
Probably. So LoveNester tip, get here early, park at the Lake Lawn Resort, and it's free.
Free!
Yes,
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being
We like free.
Yeah. In today's video, we travel to Delavan, Wisconsin for the Cars That Time Forgot car show. This show features a wide assortment of cars that span the decades. We also give you a peek at the Lake Lawn Resort. This is a great place to park for this event and a wonderful place to stay. Be sure and stick around to the end when we show you downtown Delavan and tell you the tale of a wacky serial killer elephant.
Hey, we are at the Lake Lawn Airport. It's a great time to be here because all the cars are coming in, so if you're going to a car show, get there early.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here. Good. Welcome. Hey, we got a group of Corvairs here. Wow, check it out. What year is this? 66. Corvair. What year? Wait. 62 four-door. One of our subscribers loves the Corvair. What year? 64. Thank you, sir. Awesome. What year, sir? 65.
Jeff is the self-appointed greeter.
Thanks for being here. You go, Bandit.
What did you call this? A slug bug or a punch buggy? Put that in the comments. We'll see who wins. We're at a great time seeing them all come in. Boy, that's sure a sparkly car.
Sparkly?
A sparkly car.
Oh my goodness. It is a classic car, that's what it is.
Think of how much time they spent polishing the chrome.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are with Bob. He's the owner of this 1969 Mustang Mach 1. It has a 428 Cobra Jet, and it's 1 out of 1. How did you ever find this car?
Just found it on eBay, actually, in Lansing, Michigan. And so we went over and looked at it one weekend and brought it home.
Oh my goodness. So, let me get this right. There's only one of these made.
Yeah, it was the only car that Ford made with this set of options on it for 1969. So, kind of rare.
So, how much cash do I need right now to drive this home?
It would need 6 digits.
If you need to, if you need to ask, you shouldn't ask.
Yeah.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah. Yep.
Well, thank you, Bob. Really appreciate you showing this. This is an incredible vehicle. Wow. 1969 Mustang Mach 1. 1 out of 1.
Well, the nice thing about these cars is they've been restored perfectly. The owners take a lot of pride in it, and it shows. They're beautiful cars, and thank goodness the owners bring them out to the car show to show them off to us people that drive Pintos.
This is a 2015 Ford Mustang, so it looks like they have a wide variety of years here. The sign says that this roadkill coyote just ate the Roadrunner and he's stuffed. Oh, this was one of my favorites.
The 1956 Dodge pickup with the wing hood. Oh my gosh.
Look at that hood ornament. That is just so pretty.
Classics.
Hey, we are in Delavan, Wisconsin at the car show called The Cars That Time Forgot. And we have a 1932 Ford Roadster here. Hey, this is a rumble seat from a 1932 Ford. And if you know why they call it a rumble seat, please put it in the comments. We'd like to know. Thanks for being here.
Wow, getting under the hood is different with this one. This is a 1970 VW camper van. I don't know why, but I feel like my Barbie had something like this. I just love the inside of these things. Oh, this is beautifully restored. Beautiful day to take this car for a spin. Here's a Camaro. Who wouldn't want to take this for a ride on a beautiful summer day? This was a standout one, and this was owned by a woman. I wish we would have spent some more time talking with her.
This car looks like it just came out of the movie American Graffiti.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Delavan, Wisconsin at the Cars Time Forgot car show, and we're here with Doris. She's the first lady of this show. Thanks so much for being here, Doris. How many cars do you have this weekend?
So far, I mean, it's looking good, but we usually get between 700 and 1,200 cars at
1,200 cars here. What a perfect day for this. We have cars from all eras, all different types of cars. What a magnificent show you're having here.
Thank you guys for coming.
And this red interior was amazing. What was this car? This was your dad wanted this car.
This is the Corvair.
I was enamored with this Bel Air.
Who isn't?
Again, another hood ornament. Beautiful.
I think you're going to get either a Bel Air or a Dodge pickup. Ooh, that has a... There's another Chevy Bel Air.
Beautiful color. Wow, look at how beautiful the interior is.
Once again, a nice classic 1950 Chevy pickup. A couple Corvettes in a row. think that was. Oh, this looks like a Chrysler LeBaron, but it is not a Chrysler LeBaron. That was a Maserati, believe it or not.
Now you had a Mustang, didn't you?
I did.
Was it this color, I think?
It was the brandy wine. Yes, that's what attracted me to this car. Brandy wine.
Oh, this Trans Am is also owned by a lady. Beautiful car. Another Bel Air. Those are some pretty vehicles.
Bel Air was my nickname in college.
A 1930 Ford Coupe. One of our subscribers specifically asked to see a 1930 Ford Coupe, and here it is.
Hey, welcome back to Love Nesters. We are at the Delavan Auto Show, and we're here with Jeffrey. He's got a 62 Chevy pickup truck. Did you restore this yourself?
I had a couple guys that helped me. I did a lot of the work myself, fabricated the frame and everything. But I had Catlin Customs out of Avalon do the paint, and then I had a guy named Jim Lauer do the engine because I didn't want too expensive a motor to practice. But I did all the assembly, the wiring, some fab, and over the course of 20-some years.
Oh, wow.
It's a beautiful truck. May I ask you a question, sir? What do I need to write a check to you right now?
1.2 would be nice.
Wait a minute. A check? Oh, yeah.
Cash is even better. I'll give you 1.1.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today.
Yeah.
You have a beautiful vehicle. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Oh, the good old Chevy Impala.
It was Impala.
I've heard it both ways.
Ooh.
Oh,
Ornament.
a hood ornament. Maybe you should just do one show on hood ornaments.
Isn't this cute? It's a 68 Shelby, but it's got a whole little Coca-Cola theme going.
69 Firebird.
Pretty interior.
Pretty.
I like these old ones where they're like not perfectly restored.
I agree. I do like that.
Hey, welcome back to Love Nesters. We are here at the Lake Lawn Resort. Just got finished with the car show. A huge thank you to one of our subscribers, Deb. Thank you so much for recommending this car show.
We had a great time. If you have a chance to check out a car show in your area, everyone is so friendly and excited to tell you about their machine.
And it's free.
And it's free, and go early. It gets hot.
Thank you, Deb.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
The Lake Lawn Resort is a beautiful property with 2 miles of Delavan Lake shoreline. This resort has been around for more than 140 years. With plenty of activities on land and on the water, you are sure to find something to help you relax any time of the year. This is a year-round resort. There's all these passageways that connect the different buildings. There's gift shops in here, little eateries, there's even a spa. The city of Delavan is over 125 years old. The historic downtown has been revitalized and now includes a musical fountain and some fiberglass statues that pay homage to their circus heritage. Delavan was once the winter headquarters for performers from over 26 circuses. In the heart of the downtown stands a giant statue of Romeo, the elephant who managed to kill 5 people and 25 horses in the span of 15 years. He is depicted as a menacing pachyderm rearing on his hind legs, while a happy clown oblivious to his precarious position smiles and waves.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. Great to have you with us today. We just got done with the Delavan Auto Show.
The cars that time forgot.
The cars
I
that
almost forgot.
The cars that Debbie forgot.
It's now in its 17th year. It's a great activity held by the Lake Lawn Resort in Delavan.
Some wonderful people sharing their stories, so thank you so much, and a huge thank you to one of our subscribers, 2 of our subscribers, Deb and Bill, specifically recommended this show, so thanks so much.
We sure appreciate your suggestions on where we should go. If you'd like to follow along on more craziness, we do go on these adventures once a week. We'd appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here. Little bouncy.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters.
We're gonna have trouble. Like to follow along on more kooky adventures? We'd love to have you join us. Like and subscribe to our channel.
Did you just say kooky?
Kooky. It helps other people spot.
Did you have fun?
Today was a great day. I'm so glad we came out.